It stays up. You might have seen this prop on a couple of videos before when I was working on the engine on the S4. It's because my bonnet shock died a while back and I've been using this just to make sure that the bonnet doesn't fall on my head. But today that is about to change because I'm going to be using this for the last time and I'm replacing the old bonnet shock with the new one. So let me get the old one out and then fit in the new one right now. I'm going to be using one of the two screwdrivers. I've got a flat small one and a flat a little bit larger one. So let's try the first one. To remove the top part of the bonnet shock, there's a little lock thing here or a bracket. Just put a screwdriver behind it and just pry it off, and then this will come off easily. Then to remove the bottom part of the shock, same thing. Put the screwdriver behind the little lock thing here. Just pry it open while pulling at the same time. So this comes off easily. Yeah, this is the old bonnet shock. It's really old. I mean, it's got all sorts of things going on for it here. So it's leaking and there's no pressure. There's a lot of oil coming off it. I guess it definitely reached its lifespan. And here's a brand new one. Bonnet strut, a bonnet shock, depending on where you are in the world. So this is the one that we're going to fit now. The process is exactly the same but in reverse order. So let me open this one and then put it on the car. It's a brand new one. It's got a lot of tension. I'm going to start at the top. I think it's going to be easier that way. So same process, same procedure. Just pry in the little bracket thing backwards while pushing, and it goes in, then that's locked. The top part is done. And let's do the same at the bottom here. Then lock it in place, and then done. Now for the last time, the broomstick is coming off the car. Gone. You'll never see me use this again. Let's chuck it away. Okay, got a new bonnet strut. Okay. Cool. It stays up. Okay, done. That was successful. One thing to note about the S4, the bonnet is really heavy, pure steel. It's not aluminium or anything like that. It's really heavy, so I'm not surprised that the old one is dead, but we've got a new one. It's sorted. That is a quick one, in and out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because there's some exciting content coming soon. You don't want to miss that. You might want to click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.